She in the spotlight, and she turned her head. She put a red light, 'cause she ran like that. I like that, ooh, baby, ooh, baby, baby. I like that, ooh, baby, ooh, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a spring slash Easter makeup look. It is very pink and pretty, and I feel like those are my go-to makeup looks. It's super simple, easy to follow, and I hope you guys are interested in how I did this look. I didn't do a tutorial on my hair because I basically just took my natural hair and wanded super small pieces and just fluffed it out a little bit. I added some mousse and some oil, and that's what we're working with right now with my hair. So I feel like it's just kind of an effortless curl kind of thing. If you do want a tutorial on it, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys because it's super easy. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look for spring or Easter or summer or whenever you want to wear it, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm first starting off by applying a makeup base to my eyelids. This is from the brand Bella Pierre, and I actually use this makeup base concealer to conceal my eyebrows. So yeah, interesting fact. Yeah, once that's done, I then go into my eyes, lips, and base palette, e.l.f., and I take this peachy orange blush shade and I apply that to my crease. I do about 2 applications of this, and then I blend it out. That whole row that you saw, or the whole palette that I showed you guys, it's all blushes and bronzers. This, what I'm showing right here, like that pink shade that I'm applying now, that's a blush. So yeah, I felt like going in with blushes for my eyeshadow today. I don't know, maybe because I don't have any eyeshadows in these colors. Anyway, I'm applying this super bright pink to the inner corners and outer corners of my eye, creating a halo eye because I've been loving halo eyes lately. Now I'm going into the Ulta palette that I have. It's a little tiny Ulta palette, and I'm taking the shade Fearless, which is this peachy gold shimmery shade, and I'm applying that right in the center. Look how springy it looks already. I'm loving it. Now I'm going in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear Zero Smudge Liquid Eyeliner in brown and applying that right above my lashes. Super thin line, just kind of giving the effect of an eyelash band. You feel me? Now moving on to my face, I already moisturized and primed as I do before I do my eyebrows, and now I'm just going to color correct right quick. You guys know I have to color correct. Of course, I go in with my Maybelline Cover Stick Corrector Concealer in green, apply that, blend it out, and then go in with a concealer right on top of it and blend that out. Today I used the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Crayon Concealer. And then for foundation, I went in with the Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free and Balance foundation stick and applied that all over my face. And I just did a light layer of foundation today because I did quite a heavy amount of concealer underneath. And so I blend that out with my foundation brush and then with my beauty blender. You guys already know. And for some reason, I forgot to highlight and conceal before I went in with powder. I don't know, it just escaped my brain, but the look turned out amazing anyway. And for powder, I went in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder and dusted that all over my face. For bronzer, I'm actually pointing to the wrong bronzers. I went in with the middle one on the bottom row and the one on the right of that one instead of the left. And yeah, I mixed those two and I am just using that as my bronzer today. You guys know how I contour, cheekbones, hairline, nose, double chin, jawline, you know. And then I blend it all out with my big fluffy brush. And, you know, we don't want any lines, any seams. We want it to be seamless. You feel me? And for blush today, I went in with the Glowing Goddess Blush Be a Bombshell Cosmetics. It's from Be a Bombshell Cosmetics. I was just reading the label. Anyway, blended that all out. And now going back to my lower lash line, I just went in with the Peachy Orange blush shade that we used in the crease and applied that pretty low on my lower lash line because I wanted it to be low. I don't know how to describe it. Now going back into the shade Fearless and adding that to the inner third of my lower lash line. And then I go into my Maybelline Master Bronze and Highlight Kit, and I'm taking the highlight and applying that into my inner corners and on my brow bone. This has been my favorite highlight as of late because it's the perfect shade. I feel like if I were to describe my favorite highlight, it would have to be a nice cool toned gold highlight. That makes sense. So it's like it's supposed to be a warm highlight, but it's muted, you know. And I also use it to highlight the rest of my face. And you guys know I go in with my Revlon Color Stay eyeliner crayon in black to line my tight line, so I'm doing that right quick. And for mascara, I originally went in with this Ulta Super Stretch mascara, and it was a little dry, so I was not feeling it. I was like, no. So then I went in with my L'Oreal mascara, and it worked so much better. I'm gonna have to use this so much more often. And yeah, so you guys know I applied 2 coats on the top, 1 coat on the bottom. I don't know what. When I do my voiceovers, I just do crazy accents. I don't know why. And for lips, I went in with the Clinique Chubby Stick Moisturizing Lip Color Balm in whatever color this is, but it wasn't bright enough for me. So then I ended up going in with this Milani lipstick in 15 Hot Pink Beige. Oh my gosh, I cannot read labels for my life. 15 Hot Pink Rage. And then I spritzed myself with some water and we're good to go. This is the whole makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. Leave a comment down below telling me what kind of video you would like to see next, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!